Happy Saturday, everybody. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. And if you are new, welcome, welcome. I am so happy that you have all stopped by my channel to check out what I'm up to. So today, I'm bringing a haul. I'm bringing a haul from HomeGoods, Target, and Macy's. So let's have a look. Let's start off with this bag. So I got some things here that I would say that they're not major things, but these are things that I needed nevertheless. So the first couple of things that I picked up were these candles, and I like them. These are from HomeGoods. They're $3.99 a piece, and these are OUI, and they're sand and fog. You know, I'm not sure that they smell all that. You know, they don't really have a smell, really. I think they're kind of more maybe for just decoration, and I'll just light them to make them look like they've been lit. But I plan to use these on my kitchen nook table. I have some wooden candle stick holders, and so wooden candle holders. So I plan on putting these on my kitchen nook table, and I have some sage green chargers. So when I begin to decorate for fall, I thought that these would come in very nice. So that's what I have going on here. These are $3.99 a piece. So that's that. And then I have this. Look at this, guys. That's a Stress Relief Daily Essence Vegan Soy Wax Blend, and it's eucalyptus and mint. And the price of this at HomeGoods was $7.99. Now, this really smells good. So I plan on lighting this evening. This really smells nice. So, then I have some Lady Marmalade. No, it's not Lady Marmalade. I'm just kidding. It's orange marmalade. And I couldn't resist this. I like orange marmalade, so I can put this on some toast or English muffin in the morning with my coffee. And this was $3.99. And this is orange marmalade. So that should be pretty tasty. Okay? So that's what I have going on in that bag. So let's move on around to the second bag. When I said I'm going to have that orange marmalade with an English muffin or some toast and my coffee, I love coffee, and I oftentimes pick these up. Particularly, I get them from HomeGoods because they're a little cheaper at HomeGoods than they are at the grocery store. So this is vanilla bean pumpkin skinny syrups, 0 calories, 0 sugar. So I usually add this to my coffee. I usually use my International Delight vanilla, and I'll just take a little tiny splash of this. So this will last me a long time. And this was also, look at that, $3.99. A lot cheaper than the Safeway or grocery store or Giant. That's what we have here in the DMV, Maryland. So that's what I got there. Then I picked up these. I saw these and I thought these really look good. These are Dolcetto or Dolcetto Tuscan crisp Italian cheese blend. These are savory thin crackers made with extra virgin olive oil. These are 140 calories. So I thought that this would be really nice. You know, I could make a little charcuterie board with some nice cheese and crackers here and some grapes. I'm not big on the meats on charcuterie boards. I'm not a big meat eater, but I thought that these would be kind of tasty. So I'm looking forward to that. And again, this is Dolcetto Tuscan Crisp, and they were $3.49. Okay, now Last but not least for that bag, this is something, I'm kind of late to the game in the year for this. I should have got this at the beginning of the year. I needed this. This is a lemon squeezer, and I really needed this. This is a Magic Chef lemon squeezer, and it's $5.99 because I do like lemonade, and I make, I cook a lot, so I make different dishes, and I use lemon. Like if I'm making salmon, so I'll squeeze lemon on it. So, I definitely needed this. So as you can see, like I said, these are not major things, but they're things that I needed nevertheless. Okay, moving on. Target. I got one thing from Target. And look at what this is. This is Hearth and Home. I believe that's Joanne and Chip Gaines. And this is I want to say a cooking easel. And so I love to cook. But this will, what I normally do is I use my iPad or my iPhone. So rather than to sit them up on the countertop, now I can sit them up here. And, just it makes it so convenient. I don't have to worry about, anything splashing on my, on my iPad or my phone. And, you can just sit it up, press the button when the screen goes black, and, you just have it right there. It's so convenient. So I really like this. This is really nice and well made. So when I do a tour, because I would like to do an end of summer tour, just to kind of maybe just to kind of review. That's the right word I'm looking for. Just to kind of review what I've done here this year to date. Okay, just to kind of do a quick review. So what I'll do is I'll feature this in my kitchen on the countertop. And this was $19.99. So that's not bad. That's not bad. I like the little gold holder at the bottom. So, of course, you can use a regular cookbook. I use those as well. But oftentimes I use my iPad or my phone. And this makes me think about something. I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys, but you ever have an occasion where you go out with co-workers and, or maybe some family, and you're at a restaurant and, the food isn't that good, right? And somebody says, oh, this is really good. You can tell who doesn't cook. Because if the food don't taste good and they think it tastes good, they don't cook. I don't know what made me think about that, but it did when I thought about my little easel, because I do like to cook. And sometimes I have to admit this. I've gone to some restaurants, and some of the food that I've gotten, I'm like, oh my goodness, I can make this, or I can make it at home better than what it is here. Okay, so how about that? Okay, next stop, back to HomeGoods. Okay guys, that's a typical Saturday. So I had some men coming because I want them to do some painting upstairs. So they just came to give me a quote. So I apologize for that. Let me finish with my haul. So next stop, again, or back to the same store, is HomeGoods. So I thought these were pretty, so these placemats, they were only $7.99, so that's not bad. So I plan to use this for a tablescape. So that's what I have going on here. Then earlier this week, I was in the mall looking for some slippers, some bedroom slippers. I didn't really see anything that I liked. So I moseyed on down. I don't know why I moseyed on down to the Macy's home section, and I found this bedding set. Macy's has a bedding sale for 60% off. So I got this bedding set for 50% off, and I got this bed skirt for 60% off. So 50% off and 60% off. And they sent me an e-receipt, and I don't know what I did with it, but anyway, this was about $185, and I want to say I got it for about $90 or so. And This is a damask. This is by Charter Club, and this is a king 3-piece coverlet set. Okay, and this has the quilt and 2 king shams. So here's that. So I don't know exactly when I'm going to use this. And I'm trying to debate even if I want to keep it. I like the color because I just painted my bedroom, my bathroom, and we had some flooring put in, I want to say last year. So this of course will complement that nicely with the decor and everything I have in my bedroom. And then I got this, like I said, I got the king bed skirt that comes with it. This was $100 and it was 60% off, so I got this for $40. And this is a part of the Damask collection, Charter Club. Okay, so that was that. So if you're in the market, for some bedding, swing on by Macy's, because like I said, they're having a bedding sale. I don't know how long it's going to go on for, but they had quite a few things in there. So this completes my haul. I did buy one other thing. It didn't come in. I actually ordered some oils from Oil Perfumery. So I'm kind of looking forward to that coming in, and I may share that with you sometime soon. But in any event, my next video, hopefully, like I said, I'll be able to do a end of summer tour just to kind of review some of the decor that I've added to my home this year, but specifically like floral arrangements. I like to do floral arrangements, so I just thought I would review those with you guys before we move into fall, because it's August, but it seems to me sometimes when September comes, when you blink your eye, it is December. So we're rapidly approaching the last quarter of this year. So anyway, you guys, have a great day.